Hey guys, in this quick 2025 guide, I'll show you how to withdraw cash from Bank of America without a debit card, fast and secure. First, open the Bank of America mobile app and log in. Go to Account Services and select Get Cash or Cardless ATM, or depending on your app version. Choose the account you want to withdraw from and enter the amount. The app will generate a unique code or QR code valid for a short time. Head to a Bank of America ATM that supports cardless withdrawals. Scan the QR code or enter the code on the ATM screen. Confirm the withdrawal, and the ATM will dispense your cash. No debit card needed. This method is fast, safe, and ideal if you forget your card or prefer contactless access. And that's it, you can now withdraw cash without a debit card at Bank of America. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick 2025 banking tips.